How to see messages on WhatsApp without seen. So first is you'll want to go to your WhatsApp application here, and it will basically lead you to your chat area, and all you have to do is to open the chat you want to actually see. Now as you can see, if you will send a message there and there is a two tick marks there, meaning that the message is actually sent to the person or the recipient. Now it's if it's actually blue, that means that people who actually receive the message has seen the message. Now as you can see here on the very recent message, there is no blue tick mark there, meaning that person, you have sent the message but the person or the recipient haven't read it yet. And to do that is you can actually manipulate the messages. So let's say you want to read the message. Let's say you want to read the message of the person. And to do that is all you have to do is to go here to your settings. On the bottom part, you'll see 5 different options there. Just tap on settings and go to privacy. Now under privacy, you will see these different options here. You have these options here, the read receipts. Now if you turn this off, the read receipts, you won't be able to see or read recipients from other people. With that being said, if you will read the message, there will be no receipt. That means the person won't be able to see if you have read it, so it won't actually turn into blue here, just like this. And basically, that is how you see messages on WhatsApp without seen. Now, if it doesn't work, make sure that your WhatsApp application is updated. And if it's updated, you can now go back and do the same process again. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.